In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your laptop or PC on Windows. So just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open your uh, Chrome browser and search for this. Download Visual Studio Code and click. Then you will find the first link. Click on it like this, and for example, if for me I have Windows, I will download it for Windows. If you have Mac or another else, you can download from this. So for me, I have Windows. Click download, and as you can see right now, it's downloading. So I'm going to wait, and then when it's done, just click on it like this. Click on the download like this, and then click on I accept the agreement and click next. Click also next, next again, and also next. And right now click on install. Then you're going to wait a little bit until your Microsoft Visual Studio Code is installing on your PC. Then after that, when it's downloading and installing, it's going to launch. So here is our Visual Studio. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.